We live in India. It is also called as Bharat. We have democracy in our country. The official name of our country is Republic of India. This is a big country. The total area of our country is 3.28 million square kilometers, and it contributes to 2.4% of the total surface of the world. India is the 7th largest country in the world. There are only 6 countries in the world which are bigger than our country. Their names are Russia, Brazil, Canada, USA, China, and Australia. India, location and extent. India is located in the northern hemisphere and is the southern part of Asia at the head of the Indian Ocean. India is the mainland of the 2 groups of islands. These are Lakshadweep and Andaman and Nicobar Island. The mainland of India extends roughly between 8.4 minutes south latitude in the south and 37.6 minutes north latitude in the north, and between 68.7 minutes U longitudes in the west and 97.25 minutes east longitude in the east. The latitudinal and the longitudinal extent of India is about 30 degrees each. The Tropic of Cancer passes through the middle of our country, and the north-south extent of the mainland of India is about 3,200 kilometers, while the east-west extent is about 2,900 kilometers. The southern tip of our country is called as Indira Point, that is the Andaman and Nicobar Island. The southern tip of mainland of India is called as Cape Comorin or Kanyakumari. India is the most populated country in the world after China. India and its neighbouring countries. India shares the border with 6 countries, common land boundaries with Pakistan and Afghanistan, China, Nepal and Bhutan in the north, with Myanmar and Bangladesh in the east. Bangladesh shares 4,124 kilometers with India and Bhutan shares 659 kilometers. Burma shares a border of 1,468 kilometers while China shares 2,659 kilometers. Nepal shares a border of 1,770 kilometers and Pakistan shares 3,190 kilometers. Our neighbors across the sea are Sri Lanka and Maldives. India and Sri Lanka are separated by a narrow stretch of water called as Park Strait. Climate of India. India is a big country. We have various surface lands all over the country. There are mountains, plains, and plateaus. The physical features and the climatic conditions are the 2 important factors that influence the life of the people. The climate includes the rainfall, direction, and speed of winds. Some parts of our country are too much hot, while some parts of our country face extreme cold. The climatic conditions in India can be explained by an annual cycle of seasons. There are 3 main seasons in our country. These are summer season, winter season, and rainy season. The summer season. The summer season begins in India in the end of March and continues till the month of June. During summer season, the weather is hot and dry and some places have extreme humidity. During summer season, we have longer days and the shorter nights. The hot wind that blows in the daytime is called as Loo. The Deccan Plateau of India is cooler due to the presence of surrounding water bodies. Sometimes The huge dust storms during the summer season cause light rain called Kal Baisakhi in Assam and West Bengal. In Karnataka and Kerala, this is called as mango showers. Next. The winter season. The winter season begins in the month of November and continues till the month of March. January is the coldest month of the year. The temperature is generally very low and decreases from south to north. Major parts of India remain dry during the winter season. The coldest place during the winter season is Dras in Jammu and Kashmir state. During winter season, the days are shorter and the nights are longer. The days are warmer and the nights are colder. The winds blow from the land to sea. The incoming strong winds from the west cause light rainfall in the plains and snowfall in the northern mountains. These winds cause western disturbances. The weather is pleasant during the winter season. People visit hill stations and wear woolen clothes. The rainy season. The rainy season begins in the onset of summer monsoon winds in the month of June. This season is also called as monsoon season. The monsoon winds carry dark clouds which are full of moisture that bring rain to most of the Indian subcontinent. The monsoon winds blow from the Arabian Sea as well as from the Bay of Bengal. The Arabian Sea is more powerful than the Bay of Bengal. The monsoon winds are very irregular. They cause flood in one part of the country and drought in other part of the country. The average rainfall in India is about 125 centimeters. The distribution of rainfall is uneven. The Tamil Nadu coast remains dry in this season. Natural vegetation. Flora and the plant cover is the first sign of life. The gifts of nature are natural vegetation, animals, soils, water, and minerals. The growth of vegetation depends on the climatic conditions of a country. The two elements of the climate are temperature and rainfall. These are important. At present, 22% of total area of our country is covered by some vegetation, but actually it should be 33% of the total area. There are more than 5,000 species of trees in India. The forests of India distributed on the climatic conditions and other factors are 1. The tropical evergreen forests, 2. The deciduous forests, 3. The thorn and scrub forests, 4. The montane forests. The tropical evergreen forests. These forests are found in the hot and humid areas of the country, including the Western Ghats, the hills of eastern India, the Andaman and Nicobar Island, and some parts of West Bengal and Odisha. The trees in these forests don't shed their leaves and they remain green throughout the year. The annual rainfall in these forests should be more than 200 centimeters. The important evergreen trees found in this area are rosewood, ebony, and mahogany. These are hardwood trees. The deciduous forests. These types of forests are also called as monsoon forests. These extend along the foothills of Himalayas, the eastern slopes of Western Ghats, rainer parts of the Deccan Plateau, the plains of Bihar and Uttar Pradesh. Most of the trees in these forests shed their leaves in the summer season for about 6 to 8 weeks. Major parts of our country has deciduous forests. The main types of trees found in these forests are teak, sal, shisham, sandalwood, semul, bamboos, etc. These trees are very valuable and found in the deciduous forest. The thorn and the scrub forest. These forests are also called as desert vegetation. These are mostly found in the areas of low rainfall, humidity, and high temperature. These receive an annual rainfall of about 50 centimeters. The trees in these forests are short with long roots. These trees can live without water. The main types of trees found in these forests are babool, palm, and kikad. Some places have more thorny bushes than trees. It is found in Rajasthan, Haryana, and Gujarat. The montane forests. Forests in the mountains are called as mountain forests. The vegetation in the mountain forests varies from tropical to alpine types. A large variety of trees grows along the slopes of the Himalaya mountains and Nilgiri hills. The deciduous forests are found along the lower slopes and coniferous trees in the higher altitude. The main tree that grows in these regions are softwood trees with conical needle-shaped leaves. The wood is mainly the pulp which is used for making paper.